Halle Bailey and DDG custody battle. DDG asks judge to block Bailey from leaving country with son. The custody battle between singer and actress Halle Bailey and her ex-boyfriend, the rapper DDG, has heated up as DDG asked a judge to block Bailey from taking their infant son with her to Italy, alleging she poses a risk to their son's safety because she has previously threatened self-harm. DDG requested a restraining order against Bailey in Los Angeles court on Wednesday and asked a judge to block her from taking Halle, their 17-month-old son, to Italy with her, alleging Bailey would pose imminent emotional and psychological risk to the minor child based on repeated, documented threats of self-harm. DDG, whose real name is Daryl Dwayne Granberry Jr., alleged in court filings Bailey once took his firearm and left their house while threatening to harm herself, stating she environment of emotional distress and danger within the home, and his filings contain text messages appearing to show Bailey threatening self-harm, Billboard reported. Bailey, 25, and DDG, 27, have been locked in a custody battle over their son since Bailey filed a restraining order against him in May, accusing him of physical and verbal abuse, including an alleged incident in which he slammed her face on a steering wheel in front of their son. Bailey also alleged DDG has riled up his fans to send online hate to Bailey by accusing her of keeping their son from him on his live streams, and she detailed another incident in which she filed a police report after DDG allegedly threw her phone from a car window, that a judge granted Bailey temporary custody of their son in May. The couple split in October 2024 after nearly 3 years of dating, at the time stating they were still best friends and planned to co-parent their son. Forbes has reached out to lawyers representing both Bailey and DDG for comment. Bailey is slated to depart for Italy to film a movie for 2 months on June 7, Billboard reported, and a judge is expected to rule on whether she will be allowed to bring her son. The court also set June 24 as the date for a hearing on Bailey and DDG's restraining orders against one another. Bailey and DDG began dating in January 2022, though they did not publicly acknowledge their relationship on social media until March of that year. Bailey gave birth to their son in December 2023, announcing his birth in an Instagram post the following month. Bailey had largely kept her pregnancy a secret despite fan speculation, stating months after her child's birth at the Essence Black Women in Hollywood ceremony she had no obligation to expose him, me or my family to that unyielding spotlight.